from my heart and from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
So, good morning. Thank you so much for all the feedback so far. Today is question number 5, the last question in this series, and it's actually to do with the disc brakes that are fitted or not fitted to the car at this point in time. As you recall from previous videos, we have drum brakes all round and we need to change the front to a disc brake system. So I'm going to go with the probably the 8-inch aluminium mini sport caliper setup. So we need to decide on the colour. Now, keeping in mind on the grey Mini Sky we have orange calipers, on the 998, the red Mini, we have gold ones. I'm not excluding those colours, but just so you know, we already have those colours on the other cars. I'm going to pop up a picture of the caliper colours for you to basically vote on and give us some idea on what you believe should be the direction for the calipers. Now, that's the last question regarding the overall direction. Now it gets really exciting because next week we will be posting a video on a test drive of the first system that we are evaluating to fit into the Clubman. So this is going to be really interesting, and I'm quite excited about this as well. So again, thank you so much for all the feedback in the last few days, really appreciated. Looking forward to sharing the video with you next week, so stay tuned, take care, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.